my, we've made it. Welcome to day 7 of the Better Bedtime Challenge. Yes! Today we are wrapping things up with a challenge tip that is so super close to my heart. It's one I know you've heard me mention before. I started doing what I'm about to share with you today following surgery to remove a tumor that was too large for the X-ray technician to fully capture on the photo image. Not only did this practice accelerate my recovery, in my opinion, continued use of this practice has afforded me to remain tumor-free for over 20 years. Additionally, my digestion has improved. I have less gas and bloat and more nights of deeper restorative sleep. Yep, you guessed right. We're bringing castor oil into the bedtime routine to calm our minds, support digestion, and promote restful sleep. Let me tell you, once you try it, you'll know exactly what I mean. Whether you are a castor oil newbie or a seasoned fan, tonight's tip will show you a whole new way to get the benefits of this ancient remedy. Now, there are a couple of ways to do this, and I'll walk you through each. You get to pick the one that feels right for you. Option 1, we're going to dab a little of castor oil in the belly. That's right, a dab in your belly button. It's believed that the belly button, the nerves in the belly button, is the ideal point of transportation for castor oil to our nervous system, which benefits our entire body. I don't know if you remember, but in this video, we talked about another simple way to support our nervous system to benefit our overall health and weight loss goals. But rubbing your belly button with castor oil not only aids our digestive health, it is an amazing way to let go of the day's stress, and it even supports liver detox. If you're still feeling skeptical, I discussed the pros and cons of using castor oil in the belly button here. If you want to take it up a notch, try option 2 and do a castor oil pack on your abdomen. It's equally as simple as option 1. All you need is a bit of castor oil on a cloth or a pad. Place right on your stomach with a little wrap or towel over it. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes while you unwind with a book or some calming music. This technique is known to support liver function, aid digestion, and promote relaxation. Plus, it's super cozy. So don't be surprised if you put the pack on your stomach, you lay there, you're listening to music, and then you wake up and it's morning and you slept the night away. This is a bedtime ritual, though done just a few times a week, is one I absolutely look forward to. If you're as intrigued by castor oil as I am, guess what? We're not alone. In fact, I've gotten so many great questions, tips, and interesting stories of others' experiences with castor oil that I am doing an upcoming series on all things castor oil. You don't want to miss it, and I'll see you here next.